Okay guys, hello, welcome to my channel. So today training with Miss Mahani is going to be on Padlet. Alright, first things first, I will take you to the login into our Delima account. So we will go to Delima. So this is our Delima website, alright. So here you go to log masuk or login, and then you choose an account. So here I have two, so I'm going to choose my education account, alright. So here I'm going to choose the second one, which is meant for the teachers. Okay, and choose the account again. So here you will be brought into this interface. So from this interface, what you're supposed to do is you choose number 5, the application. Alright, so here what you can see now is some of the applications that you can actually use for your online learning and teaching, just to make it more interesting. Yeah, so here I'm going to show you number 1, which is the Padlet. Click on Padlet and it will actually take you to the interface or the dashboard of Padlet. So this is my Padlet. Alright, so these are actually not the ones that I have done. Okay, so let me just tell you, I have actually used up all my Padlet. Yeah, if you can see here, this is my account, this is my name. Alright, so here it is stated here as 0 of 3 Padlets used, meaning to say I can use another 3. Alright, so to tell you the truth, I have actually used up all my 3 plus another 2 Padlets, and I have already archived the Padlet. So this is where I put it. Yeah, first you have recents, made, shared, liked, archived, and also new folder. So let's have a look at archived. There you go. I have 5 Padlets that I had done before, and I have already archived all the 5 Padlets so that I can make another 3 Padlets. Because why? I want to use this Padlet for free. Alright, let's have a look at one example of a Padlet made here. So let's have a look at this one, Maklum Balas SPM Mathematics Cikgu Khairil. So you cannot open it. Why? Because this is already archived. So what I need to do is go back to home, click on home, and then go to this one particular Padlet that you wanted to show, or you wanted to see, or you actually wanted to save it in a PDF form. So what you do is you go to these 3 traffic light buttons, I call it, click on it. Okay, there you go, you have this unarchived. So this is going to unarchive the Padlet that you have already archived before. Yeah, so you click unarchive. So just now from 5 archive Padlets, you have 4. Okay, let's have a look at the Padlets that I had made earlier. So the one that I've already unarchived, it is already in the made Padlet dashboard. Okay, so this is our dashboard. Okay, for example, you want to make a Padlet and you want your students to submit their work here. For example, like I'm teaching English, or this one can also be used by teachers, alright, teaching other languages or other subjects. Yes, so you just click on make a Padlet. Okay, so here you have 7 templates to choose from. So let's say I want to choose select the wall. Yeah, sorry, the wall. So here it will actually ask you I can change the title of my Padlet. So for example, this is actually meant for my for Ibnu Sina or for IBS. So email writing, because I want my students to submit their email writing, which is also a short writing here on the Padlet, right? So here I can give the instruction. The description can also be used as instruction. For example, type in your email here on this Padlet. Okay, and then here is the icon. Here is none, but let's say I want to do something to that, right? So I can choose from whichever icon that is already there for me to choose from, or I can actually add my own icon. So where can I actually add my own icon? There are 2 ways of adding it. First, I can search from the images from the web. Number 2, I can upload the icon or my picture from my Mac, or I can just paste link if I have any other photos online, or I can just take photo there or to draw. So in this case, for example, let's say I just want to upload a photo from my Mac or from my laptop, yeah. So example, I just want to choose this 12 red roses, right? Because I love the roses, so I choose that one. So it's gonna be there. If you can see it here, later on you will see. So for the address here, this is actually something that you can change, yeah, according to your own liking. So here I'm going to change it to for IBS email. Alright, okay. And then for the appearance, for the wallpaper, you can change here. So you can have solid colors. So you don't want to have solid colors, you can go to gradient. There's a lot of beautiful or nice gradient colors that you can choose from. You can choose textures or patterns if you want to. But in my case here, I do not want to change because I already have the template there for me. Or you can even have pictures if you want to. There's a lot of pictures for you to choose from. So just choose any one that you like, yeah. Okay, for now in my case I don't want to change, right? So here the color scheme, this is the default color scheme. You can make it dark if you want to, but in my case I just want to retain the default color scheme. And as for the font, you can also choose. So for the second one, I want to choose the second one, yeah. Okay, for the posting, you want to display the author name above each post? Yes. So now I am actually using my MOE account, so my education account. And if let's say the students log into their account and also go into the Padlet to type in their email, what will appear would actually be their name from the account, but it has to be from the same domain. Okay, in the case of your students log in into their own personal Gmail, what you can ask is for them to write their name before they type in their email or the text, yeah. Okay, so new post position, you can put it first or you can have it last. So here in my case I want to see it first. All right, so comments, allow viewers to comment on posts, or you do not want to allow the viewers to comment. It is up to you. In my case here, I do not want to allow the viewers to comment. So reaction, because this is an assignment, so obviously I want to grade. So I want to grade my students here. But if let's say this is not assignment, something like just a reflection or like an exit ticket before you end your lesson, or maybe some kind of like a feedback after a program, something like that. So you can just choose like, to like the post, to vote, to star, and in my case here I want to grade my students. So here the maximum grade given is 100, but I want to change this to 20 marks, yeah. Okay, again teachers, this is up to you. So go back there. So here I've changed to grade. So here it requires approval. If let's say you are giving this as an assignment, you need to bear this in mind. Some students might log in using the same domain as yours. Some students might just log in using their own personal Gmail account. So here what I normally do is I would just leave this one as it is, alright? But the next one is very important. Filter profanity. This is actually to replace bad words with nice emojis. Okay, so you just click here, right? So for the advanced here, I normally do not do anything with it, alright? So just click on next. Okay, here needs my attention. Okay, never mind. So go to next. So I'm all set. Okay, my students can start posting. Okay, how do they post? It's just by clicking on the plus button here on the right bottom hand side corner here, right bottom, yeah. So the moment your students get this, they can start doing it right away. So again, how do you actually share the link to your Padlet? So go to share up there. Okay, here the privacy here is secret. Keep the Padlet hidden from the public. because you are sharing it with only to those who you wanted to type in something on the Padlet, not to just anyone else on the public. Yeah. Okay, so here, if let's say you want to change the privacy, you go to change privacy. So there are so many things here that you can choose from: private, password, members only, secret, okay, and then public. Public means you are going to open it to everybody up there, but you do not want to do that because you just want to share this with your students. Okay, so visitor permissions, you choose whether can they only read, but if you choose can read, so your students will not be able to write the email just now. Yeah, so here can write. Okay, so here can edit. So this is something quite risky, in which your students can actually edit the other students email. Like in our case now, we are doing email writing, so I'm gonna stick to can write. Okay, actually I'm done. Okay, I go to back. Okay, I'm gonna close this. Don't forget to copy the link to clipboard. Okay, and then close this, and then you are ready with your Padlet template. You can share this with your students. Okay, that's all from me, teachers. Good luck and enjoy your Padlet. Bye!